Why do I always forget to look in the camera instead of there? Sis. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I filmed this glowy, kind of like a golden hour inspired. I even came to like my porch to film because it was nice and sunny, and it was a flop. It got to a point where I was literally like this, and I was like, what the hell? So I had to bring my ring light back out. I just couldn't get the right lighting, so I apologise. But yeah, if you'd like to see this look, then please keep on watching.
Would you say oh? Would you be my heart? Would you in Paris? You don't play your part. Lady don't hold. My heart is yours.
So here I am, barefaced, and I'm going to go with the Superdrug Vitamin E moisturiser, and I'm mixing it with the Ordinary Hemi-Squalane and the Ordinary High Advanced Silicone Primer. And then I'm going in with the Sub Styler to create, you know, the soap brow. Then I'm going with the illamasqua brow gel, which was upside down and I didn't realise. So I'm just using little strokes to give the impression of the little hairs.
You told me that you give me if I could. You told me I'm a lucky motherfucker.
And then I'm going in with the And Other Stories concealer in Bon Sable. I don't even know that's how you say it. Been loving this concealer to carve my eyebrow, like the bottom of my eyebrows. I think it's a really nice shade. I really do like this whole soap brow trend. I feel like this is for me. And then I'm going with the And Other Stories Total, and this is like a stick highlighter. And then I'm going with my Maybelline 24 Hour Superstay foundation, and I'm just blending that really well into my skin. And then for concealers, I'm going to mix this too. First of all, I'm going to go in with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in C13. And then I'm going with the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Caramel, which is super light, but it kind of makes it work. For contour, I'm using my favourite foundation stick by Makeup Revolution in F18. And I'm just going to blend, blend, blend.
You better forgive me. Let me know everything will be okay. Even if I come out like everything I did, just still finish me. Quiet down, oh, it's cold. Let me go. If I propose, would you say no? Would you be my heart? Would you in Paris? If you don't play your part, lady don't hold. My heart is yours.
Now I'm going with the Fenty setting powder in Honey, and I'm just not really baking, but kind of just patting the setting powder into my face, still leaving a bit of excess. And then I'm going to contour with the Makeup Revolution matte base powder in P18. And I'm carving out my contour with that Fenty setting powder as well. Dusting all those excess powder that I've got on my eyelids. So I'm going with the Morphe James Charles palette, and I'm taking those two shades as my transition colour, and I'm just literally blending it in really messily, like I'm not even trying hard. I'm just doing a quick thing, to be honest. So I'm gonna attempt to do the Foxy eye trend eyeshadow, and I'm taking these two shades to do like a liner and map out how I want the liner to look like. And then I'm going with a darker shade. I'm going with an even darker brown, which is like the darkest brown, and I'm just blending it out really. I'm going back with the two browns to blend it out. Then I'm taking black to darken the liner a bit, and I'm blending it out with a brown, and I'm taking it onto my lid. Then I'm going in with mascara and my lashes from AliExpress, which I will link down below. Makeup Revolution Conceal Define Setting Powder to just blend everything and take any excess powder that's on my face. I absolutely love this stuff. It's just such a nice face base setter. Then I'm taking those two shades under my eye, and I'm taking a bit of that dark brown to connect the bottom and the liner together. I didn't take black because I didn't want it to be super harsh. And yeah, I was feeling myself at this point. I'm going with the black opal finishing powder in deep to kind of bronze, because we already contoured before, and I really like this shade because it's not too dark. And I'm holding this upside down again. I don't know what I was doing that day. And I'm gonna pop it on the highest points of my cheekbones, my nose, my cupid's bow, my brow bone, and the inner corner of my eye, and my chin. And then for lips, I used the NYX Cosmetic. It's actually like an eyeliner in dark brown. Then I'm going with the Revolution Pro Gloss. I don't know what gloss this is, but I will link down below the full name of it. Then I'm going back with the liner to darken it, and I'm taking this £1 lip gloss from the hair shop. Literally, it's £1, and it's so glossy. It's one of my favorite lip glosses. It's so cute. And here is the final no. And then I'll go with my setting spray, which is a Glow Intense from Primark, and it was literally like £2 or £3. And then to finish off, I'm going in with the Another Stories Marble Glow to just highlight my chest, because obviously I want it to be a nice and glowy look. And here is the final look, and I am absolutely loving and I'm feeling myself.
So this is the finished look, and I am absolutely obsessed. I absolutely love it. Like, I just think it's so nice and glowy. If you like this video, then please don't forget to thumbs up, like, comment, share, subscribe. If there's any other videos that you have in mind that you would like me to do, then let me know, because I'm here to deliver during this quarantine. We all stay safe, stay at home, and if you can't stay at home, stay safe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
So yeah, this is the golden hour makeup look, and as you can see, it's nice and glowy. Let's zoom in the highlights. See, cute. A little, what's it called?
FOXY eyeliner, and